video, I'll be describing the structure of skeletal muscles. So the components of the skeletal muscle are skeletal muscle tissue, nervous tissue, blood, and connective tissue. So to start off with skeletal muscle tissue, skeletal muscle tissue is composed of skeletal muscle fibers, which is composed of single muscle cells. And so in this picture you can see the look of the skeletal muscle tissue. It is striated and multinucleated. And then there's also nervous tissue, which contains neurons and nerves and allows for movement. So you can see that the nerves connect to the muscle, which then also connect back to the brain to send signals to the brain to allow the muscle to move. And then there's also blood in the skeletal muscle. So the blood vessels are located within the muscle, and these help to carry oxygen and replenish ATP so that the muscle can keep moving. It has energy to continue to move. And then there's also connective tissue in the skeletal muscle, and there's 3 layers of this. So the epimysium is the outer layer of the entire muscle tissue, and then there's the perimysium, which surrounds each bundle of muscle fiber. And then there's also the innermost layer of this connective tissue called the endomysium, which surrounds each singular muscle fiber. So these are the 4 main structures of the skeletal muscle.